to be helping our young people, and we need people to speak out. That's why we're here today, to tell people that, ask them, where's your vote going? You know, do you know that your governor is planning on spending $104 million on a new jail facility? So that's why I'm here, because I'm upset with this situation. We need more people out here supporting these young people. We need more adults supporting these young people. We need them people supporting these young people. Our young people are supposed to be the future, but it does not show, because we do not have the adults and the support that we need. There's $104 million putting in this jail. Our young people are dying every day. What are we going to do? We need to do something now and today.
Something unsettling is underway in our city. You know, the degradation of the soul. You know, this is sacrilege. They're gonna build a $104 million jail, Monument of Forest. There's already central bookings close. There's a proposal for a $250 million jail for women. You're gonna put the whole family in one prison industrial complex, and then you're gonna move the people out. And then pretty soon, you know how things go. These are businesses. What do businesses do? They expand. So what you're gonna have? You're gonna have the majority of the city in the jail. The city's gonna become a jail in John Hopkins. That's what we're gonna have, a jail and John Hopkins. You're gonna work for John Hopkins, or you're probably gonna be in jail. It's funny.